No! Oh my god, bro. Are you kidding me right now, dude? I swear it was this that was breaking. What? Light smoke, zero gravity, Corsa windscreen from Revzilla. I'm actually really excited to put this on. I have a cheap double bubble windscreen and I'm ready to swap it out. I wanted something different. I wanted it to block a lot of the wind because on sport bikes it is very hard to keep the wind out of your face when you're on the highway and stuff. So I went with the Corsa windscreen. First, we're gonna take this one off. So this is how you change your windscreen on your bike. You're going to get a small Allen key for some of these screws. All you're gonna do is pop off your screws. Let's get this screw over here. Oh, here we go. Of course, it's always something when you want to do something with your bike, right? So for some reason, these are like really stuck in here, like pretty bad. That's why. Well, it's not good. I actually need these now. See if we can get these off. Is that Loctite? Maybe there is Loctite on these. So the little metal screw part that sits in the rubber came off and would not come out. I'm glad I have replacements. I don't remember even buying these, but I've had them for a few years, I guess. So that's one done. Now on to the other annoying ones. Probably too cold to be doing this right now. That's why I'm struggling. Try the other side for now. Sheesh. I did not think it was going to be this hard to get these out. I'm about to just break it. I'm not going to reuse this one anyways. And this time I can't get to the actual screw. So it's just going to spin in place till it wants to come out. My only other option would be to heat it up, get it hot with the heat gun, and I really don't want to do that. Look at this paint rubbing off. No! Oh my god, bro. Are you kidding me right now, dude? I swear it was this that was breaking. Old one, new one. Dude, I can't believe I cracked my fairing, bro. I'm like so fed up with this. I need to change this front end anyways. Snap right off. I gotta buy new ones anyways. I'm gonna order a new bolt, so I'm gonna wait for those to come in the mail and then start this video back up where I left off. Alright, update on these little screws for the windscreen. It's been a few days since I installed it. I ended up breaking one of the screws, got new ones, put them on. These are a lot smaller. These are the original ones. You can see the size difference. These are a lot smaller. I like these better because they're more subtle. And I was debating on just putting the original circle screws in, so I don't mind these smaller ones. That's how you install a windscreen. Just pop these out. All these screws all the way around from underneath. Slide it right out. Make sure that these little tabs right here are inside under these so you can screw them in before you slide this part in. And then when you're done, all you gotta do is screw all them back in. And that's it.